So after you've removed the top cover, the front cover, you need to remove the bolts on the back. Your top two bolts are going to be 13/16, and your bottom four bolts are going to be 3/4.
This rod is actually the feedback linkage that when you raise your lift and the lift comes up, that rod tells the valve when to stop.
Okay.
If you raise it a little, it comes up a little. If you raise it all the way, it comes all the way till it tells it to stop.
So the next thing we're going to have to do is remove this E-clip right here. Didn't fling it all over the shop. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
So we're having trouble getting the pressure relief valve out, and what we're going to do is take a socket and make a press to a puller to pull this pressure relief valve out. And what we've done is taken a long all-thread bolt, a 1-inch socket, a washer, and a 3/8 nut, and threaded it into the pressure relief valve.
This is the bypass valve. I'm sorry.
Oh, and it come right out.
It still has the old leather type seal instead of an O-ring.
Really?
So this has been in there since 1950 something. The other thing about this valve, people complain over the years, my tractor was working fine and all of a sudden the lift just stopped working. Well, this is normally the culprit. Okay, we've removed this plug from the bypass valve. You can normally use a 3/8 bolt, thread it in, it'll pull right out normally. We had to use a puller, and there's a spring, and then remove your bypass valve. And a lot of times over the years, people have worked on these and used silicone for a gasket, and a little piece of that, all it takes is a tiny piece of that to hang this valve, and the lift won't raise. Even a piece of a red rag will stop it from raising because there's no filter. We're going to remove the relief valves to help get the piston out. Well, we got the piston moving.
Can you thump it on the table like you was doing earlier?
Probably could, but I'm gonna see if I got it on. It's got suction on it, I think.
We've done so good, and now we make a mess.
Must be a pretty good seal on that piston.
Must be a pretty good rag we put on the floor.
This seal is what actually seals the piston to the cylinder when it's raising. It holds the weight of the implement up. This head in the front of this cylinder also has a seal, which will remove it. And it's got a snap ring. Takes a real good screwdriver to remove it. Well, you take one screwdriver and pry the end of the snap ring up, and you get another underneath it. That's going all right. You take a large punch and drive it out from the back side.
Now we're going to take a large punch and drive it out from the back side.
Let me know if it cocks.
Move. Get it up top. Get it at the top. So this is kind of an amateur start of a video. We're not really professional video. Oh, it's thundering. Maybe we'll get some rain. We really need it. But pretty much what we did when we started the video, we had it laying on the bench like it would be on the tractor. We would prefer to do this on the tractor. It'd be a lot easier, but we can do it. We can do it just like this, you know, without any trouble. So what you want to do is take your front plate off first. Your front plate houses your fill level petcock. So what you would do is open that petcock, run it all the way down, and then you would fill it up through this breather tube in the top here. Okay. Then we took out the 6 bolts that hold this to the lift arm housing. And we did not realize there's a bolt right here hidden back here on this corner, on this bottom corner here. So we had a little trouble with that. My dad's been a mechanic for John Deere for 40 years. He's a really smart guy. and things slipped the best of us, you know. But then what we did, we took the piston out. That's your seal for the piston that seals it on these walls here. And at the end of the video, we were having trouble removing the end plate here. But Dad's going to take that to work tomorrow and press it out, and we should have that. We should have it ready where we can order parts and do what we need to do to get the guy's lift back working on his tractor.